Okay, this is the Nordmende Othello radio from 1954, 1955, that time period. We've brought it back to working order simply by changing the fuse at the power transformer on the back, which had blown. It has two different values, whether you're using it on 120 versus 240 volts AC. You need to use a different fuse. A 1 amp fuse is used for 110 to 120 volts, and that's probably why the fuse blew, is that it was the fuse used for 240 volts, which is 4/10 of an amp. So without further ado, we're going to take it out of aus mode, which turns the radio off, and we will try out UKW, Ultrakurzwelle is what it is in German, which translates to ultra shortwave, or as we call it in North America, FM broadcast band. This is the tuning, and that's the volume. So let's turn it on. Be careful here. It usually takes a few seconds to warm up and get it situated.
Ingredients to handle the effects of everyday stress. I encourage you, try the CalMax formula. All you have to do is pick up the phone and too much for air conditioning, that's a big deal. Customer support, and you never misses a beat. It's coming to 97.1 The Eagle. Chris Stapleton.
Be a role model for today's youth and apply now at dallasisd.org.
It has our Magic Eye tuner right here, which lights up depending on how strong the receiving station is. That works well.
Testing and charging.
Now we're going to try it on the M position for medium wave, or as we call it, AM broadcast band. Careful not to blow our speakers.
$1.5 million in equity in these properties. That's dead equity. It would be better to sell those, take that 1.5 million and invest it passively in apartments. Most definitely. Most definitely. I'll read through this after the show completely and get back to you if there's any other questions. Again, my email is open to you 24 hours a day.
And there you have it. There is a long wave indicated by L and a K, which is kurz or shortwave, at least some of the shortwave broadcast band anyway. And the TA is, I believe, used for a audio tape or a phonograph input on the back. But that being said and done, wonderful piece, functions well, and we're real happy with the way the restoration went.